Students, good morning. Class 5 Science, okay? Date 20th of July 2020, page 52, okay? So, today we will learn about soil, okay? অর্থাৎ মাটি, okay? So, let's start. কি বলেছে দেখো? The planet Earth on which we live is made of soil and rocks. Soil is the uppermost layer of earth where plants grow. It provides the plants with nutrients and water that they need to grow. Okay? It also gives shelter to many small living things such as earthworms and tiny microbes. Okay? Without soil, most life on earth would not survive. Soil is such an important resource. Okay? So let us learn more about it. Okay? What is soil made up of? Soil is made up of a mixture of clay, sand, rock particles and decayed organic matter. Okay, the decayed organic matter consists of the remains of dead plants and animals and is called humus. Okay, soil is not hard as a rock. There are spaces between particles of soil that hold water and air. Okay, layers of soil. Soil is made up of 3 layers: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Okay, here info bit এখানে কিছু দেয়া রয়েছে যে the movement of earthworms adds space in the soil that allow circulation of air and water. Earthworms digest soil and their excreta improves soil fertility. The microbes in soil decompose organic matter and create humus. Okay, then start topsoil. The top layer of soil is called topsoil. It contains a lot of humus. It is the layer where plants grow. Okay, the topsoil is very precious. It not only allows plants to grow but also helps absorb rainwater, which forms the groundwater. Okay, then subsoil. The layer below the topsoil is called subsoil. Okay, subsoil contains mostly minerals and a small amounts of humus. Only the deepest plant roots reach the subsoil. Okay, and then bedrock. The bottom layer is made of solid rock and is called bedrock. A layer of broken rock rests on the bedrock. Some of this rock may have gone into forming the soil above. Okay, in some places on earth the bedrock is found at 1 to 2 meters depth. In other places it is at 100 to 200 meters depth or even more. Okay, here look at this organic layer. This is organic layer and topsoil, subsoil and parent material and bedrock. Okay, and then formation of soil. Okay, soil is formed from the breaking down of rocks. Okay, the constant action of wind, water and ice causes the rocks to break down into tiny pieces. This breaking down of rocks is called weathering. Okay, over a period of time the tiny rock pieces turn into powder to form soil. Soil consists of particles of different sizes. The smallest particles are that of clay. The medium-sized particles are that of silt. The largest particles are that of sand. Okay, Different types of soil contains different mixtures of clay, silt and sand. When plants and animals die, their remains decay and mix with the soil. The decayed remains of dead plants and animals in the soil form humus. Humus adds nutrients to the soil that are required for healthy growth of plants. Thus, humus increases the fertility of the soil. Soil forms slowly. A 2.5 cm thick layer of soil may take about 500 to 1000 years to form. So it is important to protect soil from being blown or washed away. Okay? So এখান থেকে করব। Thank you.